this episode of A World in a Word. You know, all our guests are very special, and all of them have contributed to the world in very special ways. Today's guest has designed the world, designed our world. Have you ever noticed that when you look around, when you're even traveling, you look at hoardings, you look at catalogs, you look at brochures, you look at menu cards? Everything has a special message. Everything is so beautifully designed, it's so appealing. But there are people behind who design these things, and you know that, of course. But when you look at quality work, work that is thought through, work that is customized for a particular message, for a brand, then you need a specialist. We have such a specialist, not only an absolutely fabulous designer, but one of my best friends, Lajjo Adalja of BBFM Design.
Hello. Hi, Sony.
Lajjo, thank you for being with me today.
Thank you.
We've been talking about coming on the show for so long now.
So long. Yes.
And I've been wanting to share your expertise with the world. So, Lajjo, you have an agency called BBFM Design. But
Yes.
before we come to the whole mystery of why it is so called, tell me, were you always artistically inclined in school?
Very much. So I guess probably it all started from there. And study was something that I did because I had to. But I think my passion was always towards design. And for a long time, obviously, as a growing up child, I didn't know where I would end up. So I did my textile design, I did my interior design, and then I thought, I think this is still not it. Then I joined commercial arts, which is all about advertising, and that's when I thought, okay, this is it, And
But you know,
that's
when we
how.
hear of design people in the art field, we feel that it's all very easy. There's just a few strokes or just some ideation, and you got the job. But it hasn't been easy at home or even work-wise.
Yes, at home, yeah. If I say my journey of life is pretty wow. So it's been started off with an amazing lifestyle and everything. Okay, I had my dad who went away too soon, and I was like 13 that time. So it was a 360-degree change, but I think okay, everything was a learning. And then when I came up, then I was in Bombay again, and with my study and with commercials, I think it just pulled all my attention there, and I could put all my energies. So because that's something that I loved
Yeah.
and I was passionate about. So I think hours didn't matter, nights didn't matter, days didn't matter. We used to like have our projects, have our work going up to 3 in the night, 4 in the morning, and again back to work. So I guess something that you love will always get you there somewhere.
And that's exactly the kind of words I want to hear, because if you're doing something you love, then time doesn't matter.
Time doesn't matter at
And
all.
it's also an indication that this is where you need to be.
Need to be, yes.
So, thanks
So
for
like with
sharing
our
that.
the first job that I took up after my study was in Repro India, and I think it was a great learning place to be. I was there for 5 years, taught me a lot, and I guess even there there was no time. We were there till 2-3 in the night during the
Wow.
main season time. Again in the morning 9:30, 10 we were back to office. So I guess, but then I guess that is what is it taught us so much, and I'm thankful and grateful to the
Yes.
company.
Everything is accumulated
Yes,
experience,
yes.
and that those were your formative years where
Formative
design was
years,
concerned.
exactly, yeah.
So I think that was quite a stroke of luck. But you also dabbled in design for movies, isn't it?
For movies, yes. So after 5 years, 5 years was totally corporate.
Mm-hmm.
After that, I said I wanted to. Bombay is a Bollywood place. I mean,
Absolutely.
so the whole attraction was towards. I want to see my movie posters on the hoardings. I want to drive through them. So that is what pulled me
Yeah.
towards movies.
Yeah.
And maybe the the thing for seeing the actors and getting a little peek into the thing. So I think that pulled me there. I joined another agency which was specializing in film publicity, and I was there for 2 years. I did a good amount of movies there, and soon after that, I started my own company, which is called BBFM Design.
And I've
So-
always wanted to ask you, what does BBFM stand for?
Okay, so सोचते थे क्या नाम रखे, but never got on to something. And it's always a thing that we used to say bigger, the better, faster, and more. So then we said bigger, better, faster, more. That's how it's just there.
Never thought of that, did we? So now the mystery is solved. BBFM, bigger, better, faster, more. I've never heard of such a unique name. But Laju, you have a fabulous team and you also have fabulous specialities. Tell me about your team briefly.
Team is about 10 years old now, and so it's a very strong team. We have good copywriters, we have good graphic designers, and the bond is so good that I guess that works the best.
And you also do in multiple languages because you're working at a global level.
100%. So if there are any brochures, any international work that comes up and needs translation, we do it in all the languages possible. And yeah,
Yeah, so a client comes to you, it's like a one-stop shop.
one-stop shop. And we also, since we're in the industry for such a long time, we have very good printers who we are attached to. So if they ask, we do give them the references of the best of the best.
Yeah.
So I guess it works out nice for them.
Yeah, and with BBFM design, you get peace of mind.
That is when, so the whole concept with us is like we don't really encourage clients to come and sit with us. What we need from them is we just go meet them for a briefing. After the briefing, only if we really need, we connect with them. Otherwise, we directly go with complete options. So it's not that we are showing them anything haphazard. We are completing a option, even if it's a brochure, even if it's a logo, whatever it is. We are doing a complete thing and going with those options again to them or emailing them, because nowadays I think everything is so online that we don't need to waste time in traveling. Zoom is there,
Absolutely.
or just a
And-
call is there after that.
And this is also where your workshop comes into place, which we are going to talk about a little
Yes,
later.
the workshop is something that I really now want to do.
And that is to help clients
To help clients, because what I've seen over the years is, I mean, they are super amazing in what they do. If they are manufacturing a product or delivering a service, they are very good at the job they're doing.
Yes.
But when it comes to briefing me as a designer,
Yeah.
they every any point of time they need something.
So every person knows his own business. But
Own
it's
business.
difficult when they have to talk to a designer. But let's talk about that in detail a little later.
Okay.
I want to talk about your amazing clients actually. And one, I think a couple of them that I recall. One was on with frozen food.
Yeah, so that's a UK based client that we have, and till date I haven't really met him.
This
so
is
if we
something
cross
I
each
find
other, we don't know
absolutely-
each other.
Yeah.
So we revamped his whole packaging, 35-year-old brand. We revamped and developed 18 products, so 18 packaging designs for him.
And that's the one you did the mock-ups for.
That's the one we did the mock-ups for. So we also do a lot of mock-ups when people, sometimes they feel they don't want to shoot, and that's how if we have created that, we can do a mock-up for that, So that is something where a good angle, with a nice thing, which can be used for print, which can be used for digital, which can be used anywhere.
And I remember this particular case because they didn't want to send their packaging
They-
over, and then you had to recreate.
It
the
was all
packaging.
food, but they didn't
Yeah.
want to send the food. I mean, that's
The
not
actual food,
possible
yeah.
from UK
Yeah,
to. I
yeah.
mean, it was. not
So
stay.
you basically made the mock-ups for the food,
Yeah.
which they didn't send from there.
Which they didn't send. They sent us rough photos. ऐसा दिखता है.
That's
So
crazy.
we really had to work on it, but
Yeah.
ultimately it happened. They were happy, and it
Yeah.
was an amazing thing. You know, it
But
was
you've also done a range of work, like you've also done something in comics.
comics. Yes, so comics is something really, that was something that we did, and which I was also super excited about because we developed the whole character, each and every character for that comic, and again a US based client, and about a 110-page book.
Wow.
Which has come up now. It took about a year long because that's how
Yes,
it
of
goes.
course, yes.
And it's all done, delivered. They are happy. They have approached us for a second project, which
Fantastic.
I'm again excited about.
But I'm not
you know.
surprised. But talking
So-
about magazines, you've done designs for clients for in-flight advertising and even other magazines,
Yeah,
isn't it?
so we've done a lot of ads for magazines, different magazines,
Yeah.
but we have also executed the whole magazine design, which is we've done for Inox much earlier in life.
You were on a retainer basis.
We were
with them.
retainer with them for 2 years, and we did handle their whole magazine. We did a travel magazine also, which is about 64 pages. Recently, we did the Outdoor Asia magazine, which is a benchmark magazine for advertising and outdoor media. So I think we've grabbed ourselves some good work, and God has been kind because it's all word of mouth.
Well, God has
So-
been kind, but you have been great. So, Laju, I also remember, I think the first time we met, perhaps, or in one of the, presentations that I saw, there was that fascinating leaf that you had made for a brochure.
Yes.
I'd never seen a brochure designed as a leaf.
So that was again a Dubai-based client, and their only brief to us was they were getting into wellness and spa. So it was about they just wanted nature and lotus is what they told us. This is it. You know, now you do what you want.
And that was a terrible brief.
Terrible brief, but that's what it was. So we designed this. Okay, one that yes, they had a little free hand for the printing budget also, so we could execute this. We did a brochure in the shape of a leaf. So one leaf was this big, and when the brochure opened, it was like that. 2 leaves opening,
Yes.
and then, so it was so good and really unique. And I'll also say that okay, ideas are there, but you should even find a client who's ready to spend for them. So I think that was lucky that they had that budget to do it.
And also, although they didn't brief you well, I think you managed to elicit the requirements from
Because
them.
the client was about at least I think when I started off 15-year-old. So by then I had done a few projects with them. This
Yeah.
was like the 7th, 8th, 9th project
So
with
you
them.
were familiar
so
with their
I knew what they're saying. Just that one line that I
Yeah.
knew it.
But you know, this one line is where we want to come in, and
One
this
line
is
where we want to come in. I
Yeah.
really want to address it to small business houses, production people, business
that's
owners.
the workshop that we are talking
That's
about.
the workshop.
Yeah.
Business owners, especially because they are the ones, or one level down them, they are the ones that we really interact with, you know, and they generally don't have a brief.
So before you continue, this client profile generally is confused how to communicate their requirements. Sometimes they can't articulate either their plans or the image that they want to project, isn't
Yes,
it?
yes.
So what the workshop that you're designing is your way of giving back to the industry.
Is
Yeah.
Exactly, because what happens is they are spending the money.
Right.
They are ready to spend the money.
Yes.
But they don't know what they want.
Right.
So now or they can't explain what they want. Maybe they know what they want.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, and it's also like you said, can't explain.
So
they can't
any
put
designer,
across-
forget me, any designer who they would brief would be thoroughly confused कि अब इसको मैं दूं क्या? But I think with a little more sixth sense, we can figure out, okay, they want this. So we go nearest to that, and God,
Yeah.
I mean, it's always worked out. But the briefs that we get is, ये हमारा product है, हमें brochure चाहिए, आप कर लो.
Oh my God.
अभी
Yeah.
इसमें
There's a
Yeah.
lot more back and forth in this way.
yes, because sometimes they, to approve also, they
Yeah.
have to know what they
What
want.
they want, yeah.
Otherwise, what are they going to approve?
Yeah. So I think with what you're going to do, the short workshop, This
I
is
want
one
to
of the pain
explain
points.
about something
Yeah.
about.
Yeah.
They might already have their branding.
Yes.
So how their branding will work for them,
Yes.
and whenever they're designing something, what they need to keep in mind
Yes.
is what a simple
Yeah.
thing I want to
Yeah.
do, but it will really enhance the work of a designer and the quality that they will get.
And you're not
Any
talking
designer,
about you. Yeah, any designer.
any
yeah.
designer. I mean, whoever they want to work
Yeah,
with. But
yeah.
this is something that will elevate
Yes.
the whole design. You know,
Absolutely.
it's always said कि जितना घी डालोगे उतना. So
Absolutely.
it's something that the brief जितना अच्छा होगा, I guess,
Yeah.
you know, your
Yeah.
work would turn out to be
Absolutely.
that good.
Or efficiency. like you
Efficiency,
said. Yeah.
the time,
yeah.
everything is saved.
Yes, yes.
You
And
know?
of course, you get what you want at the end. And, you know, so if you're a product manufacturer, if you're a startup, or if you're looking at changing your branding, any kind of design work that you require, I think this workshop is going to be very, very useful. It's going to help you gain clarity when you're talking to a design professional. And like Laju said, not only communicating your requirements, but also at the approval stage, understanding how to approve, understanding what to approve and where you can request for any further changes. But I have something else, a surprise for Laju. Let's get to it. And here's the design challenge that I have for my very special friend and designer, Laju Adalja.
Out.
Laju, ready
I
for
can
it?
only say, oh my God, why is this there?
Laju, I just thought of it actually. I have
Okay.
some scraps of paper here,
All right.
and let's look at this shape. Let me give you this paper too.
Oh God.
Let's turn this into a logo or a design motif.
Okay. So if you give me this,
I'm giving you the choice to use it vertically or angular or even horizontal.
okay. One that I would, okay, what comes to my mind when I would use this for what nature of a company? Could be a furniture company who's into modern furniture, and this could exactly be their logo. And this would mean, I mean, if I would design a little of their reception, which I've done, you know, elements and walls for AdLabs, Prime Focus. So when we think of that, they already obviously have their branding, but here I'm creating one. So if I'm using this as their logo, I would create this as a bench for the reception, and you know, use it like an element everywhere.
Wow,
And
that's
so
amazing.
this would be like a furniture for a furniture brand.
I just
this
realized
logo.
what you are saying. Fantastic. So this
Yeah.
would be one of the dramatic,
One of the dramatic.
you know, elements.
Elements,
when
yes.
a person enters a reception. This
The-
also comes into the logo.
Exactly. This would be
And-
like a huge element there,
Yeah.
and maybe the small ones around for people to sit. So
Wow.
it would look like gorgeous.
Wow.
We could use white and red, or color could be anything, you know. So
So you have a starting point, or you create something out of thin air. And that's where the expertise comes in. What an absolute wonderful conversation with my friend Laju Adalja of BBFM Design. And you remember, bigger, better, faster, more.
thank you, Sony.
Thank you for being with us, and thank you, Laju, for being with me here today.
Thank you. My pleasure, and grateful.
It's been such a revelation, and my mystery is finally solved. Thank you very much.
Seriously, I'm so proud of you. First of all, like I know you started as a junior designer, you became a lady boss, an entrepreneur, or be super achiever. Wow, super, really, really. I'm inspired. Great.
Now I'm going to be presumptuous enough that you've enjoyed this conversation. But prove it to me. Do make a comment, share this video, share this conversation, and spread the good word. And do join us for the next episode soon.